Alrighty, so it is 3:30, so I'm gonna get started. My name is Olivia, and I do all things. I'll be your main contact for all things on the technical side of military hire, all your training, your job searches, help with their job postings, and getting additional seats and stuff added to your accounts. Let me share my screen here real quick. I'm going to run through the site, and then when I'm all done, if you have any questions, you can raise your hand. There's a raise your hand option, and then I can unmute you, and we can go about it that way. All right. So this is your main page when you first log into the site. To log into your account, you'll go up to Employers, log in and sign up. Okay. So once you're logged in, it brings you back to this page. Go up here, Employers, we'll post a job. Okay, so currently a job can only be assigned to one city. So I'm just gonna do Akron, Ohio, and our zip code is optional. That's completely up to you. So these are all optional choices as well. We'll pick a job category. Engineering looks good. And we'll give it a good name. This name up here, you want to make sure that it's descriptive enough so that they understand what the job is about, but not too nitty gritty because you're going to put that all down in your description. So we'll do Java developer. And down in here, you'll put, Java developer job. Anything you put down in this description will be able to be searched by our candidate or job seeker side job search. So you want to make sure anything they could possibly search for, you want to kind of include down here. So I'm just going to put desktop, just so we don't have people hanging out. All right, so if you're on a 3-star account, you'll only have this send resume by email option. But if you are a 4- or 5-star account, you can choose to have them apply through your website. So I'm just gonna keep the save by email. Okay, we're gonna make sure that our job is active. This means that our job seekers are able to search for your job. And then this will automatically push it out 90 days for you. If you want it to, you can have it notify you before the job expires. So if you're still hiring for that position, later on you can come in here and edit it. So we'll just go ahead and save, and our job is posted. So we can go to view all my jobs, and this will just show you everything that you currently have active. All right, so we'll go up here to search resumes. This is our new one. So we have the radius search now, which just came out, oh goodness, last week on Thursday, I believe. So we have the option to do radius search or by state. So if you have anything in here, it will default to this regardless of what you put here. So if you want to do just a state search, you need to make sure that your zip code field is blank. So I'm going to look for about 50 miles outside of Akron, and I'm going to look for a developer. If we want to save this search, say, I know this search is good, this is really what I'm looking for, but I don't want to have to come in here every single day and run the same search over and over again. We can save the search, we can name it, and then it will just email you any new candidates that come in or any updated resumes that match what you're looking for. Do a little search, and here are all my candidates within 50 miles of Akron. So it gives us the city here. It also gives you a zip code. Let me pick a good one here. If you're a 4- or 5-star account, you'll have the email and the phone number options, as well as the contact candidate. If you're just a 3-star, it gives you this little email box. You just type, it's pretty basic, and you can send them to them that way. I'll send them an email. Okay, so anything that I put in my keywords will be highlighted in red for us so we can do a quick skim. like I said, if you think they're a good fit, then you can reach out to them, or you can email this resume to yourself just to kind of save it for later. So we'll do one more. We'll just do, all of Ohio. We'll do the same search again, just to kind of broaden our results a little bit. And see, this time we get way more results because we don't have that radius filter on there. So it tells you the date that they're posted, their recent availability. Based on your search, it should give you their, the soonest they're available. It sorts them from soonest to oldest. So you can see as I go down, the date does get older. So your newest, freshest candidates will be right up at the top. All right, so everybody will have the My Account tab. This is where you can come in and just change your username, your password, just any of your account details. You can turn on the monthly activity report if you would like to have that. I believe that might be an admin only option for that, but if you are an admin for your account, you can certainly turn that on. My jobs, this will show you all the jobs currently posted to your account. Your resume scouts, like I said, these were the ones where we wanted to save those searches to automate them. They'll send you an email. It's every day. I think I see them about 9:30 every morning our time. So I do know that you will get those daily. Resumes responded to. This is just if you reach out to anybody or contact the candidate, they will show up in here for you. But I haven't done that because I'm a demo tester. And my account activity, this just shows you your individual account over the past 30 days, just a basic overview. And your admins will have this manage account button. This allows you to upgrade your account, cancel if you so choose, all the seats that are on your account, so you can add new ones down in here with their username, and you can remove some as well just by doing the little checkbox and removing them from the account. All right, so let me open my little thing. Does anybody have any questions for me? Hello. What's your question?
Okay, so in my job description, how can I format that text? Is it just like a raw text thing? Because a lot of times the job posts are like a list of activities or a list of responsibilities for that post. Like how much flexibility do I have in my job description?
So when you do these, you want to make sure if you do bullet points, do dashes. It doesn't do any special characters, no bolds, no anything like that, because it does go through a text parser. So it has to be very generic. So if you do want bullet points, I would suggest doing a hyphen or a dash beforehand.
Okay.
Does anybody else have any questions that I can help answer today? Hi, Kalina. How can I help you?
Oh, I guess I have to click unmute. I'm sorry, I only caught half of that answer, and I know we use a lot of bullets. So
Yeah.
would you recommend just removing hyphens and bullets? I guess, would that just make it easier or quicker or?
Yeah, if you're like copying and pasting the job description in here, I would suggest changing everything to a dash or a hyphen beforehand, just because it can't handle the bullet points. It chops them up and makes them look real funny.
Okay, and that's the only character to watch for?
Yeah, any special characters that you can't find on your keyboard. So like bullet points and
Okay,
anything.
very good. Thank you.
You're so welcome. All right. Well, if anybody doesn't have any additional questions, I do have a cheat sheet that I can send out to you guys. I just updated it this morning with the new radius search information. It's just a quick, I think it might be like 5 little slides just to kind of reference anything that I covered here. I'll send that out when we're all done here. And if you guys need to contact me in any way, you can reach me at help@militaryhire.com, or if you come to the site, you'll have this little chat box down here. You can just start a message, and I'm usually the first point of contact to pick those up as well. All right. Well, I hope everybody has a great day and everybody stays warm and safe.